In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build private networks with Cloudflare Zero Trust. Cloudflare Zero Trust allows you to securely connect users to private applications, servers, and internal resources without relying on traditional VPNs. To get started, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and go to the Zero Trust platform. Next, deploy a Cloudflare Tunnel connector within your network and define the private IP ranges or resources you want to make accessible. Then configure access policies to control who can connect based on identity, device posture, or group membership. Once configured, authorized users can securely access private resources through Cloudflare's global network without exposing your infrastructure to the public internet. This approach improves security, simplifies remote access, and provides granular control over your private network environment. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.